How to notify other people about your birthday on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can notify your friends about your birthday. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right, then tap on three bar icon on your top page. Under your account, tap on Accounts Center. Here, tap on Personal Details, then tap on to Date of Birth at the second option. At this page, you will see the option of Who can see your birthday on Instagram. Tap onto it. If your Facebook account is connected, you will also be able to see that option that says on Facebook. But for today's video, let's go ahead and tap on Who can see your birthday on Instagram. Then tap on Change Visibility on Instagram. Here you can either choose the person that you would like to share the birthday dates with. To do that, tap on the Close Friends list, and all the people that are in your Close Friends list will be able to see your birth date. Once you're done, tap on Save on your top right. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.